And when it passes the mountain, it backlights it. And all of a sudden, you can see the very top of this mountain right there should be over half a mile below the curve. You know what the Globies say? The Globies go, well, the mountain is below the curve and the sun has already set. It's just refracting up and stopping at eye level to trick you. You're smarter than this.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Thank you. See, you are smart. Okay?
Well,
it's not a mirage. Look at it. It's the sun going beyond it. Now, is the sun going below? Is the sun going down?
Yeah, it's setting in that video.
Going down, or is it going away?
Looks like it's going down to me.
Okay, it looks like it's going down. Let's clear that out of your head, okay? You're going to learn something new right now, all right? So, do you have water? Drink some water, man.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
Make sure it's structured.
Definitely some water. Sure. Okay. So, let's say you're standing out in the street. It's 12 noon. The sun over you, right? You're high in the sky above. Across the street is a 10-story high building. Right there. Okay, 10 stories. You're across the street from it. Sun is over your head. The sun's moving away, and it goes beyond the building. Now you can't see the sun anymore, right? As soon as it passes that building, because the building is literally right across the street from you, the sun moves away. So here we have our building, right? And the sun moves away, and now you can't see the sun anymore, right?
Okay.
Is that sun below the horizon, or is it just beyond the building?
It's past the building.
Past the building, but it's up.
From my point of view.
It's up.
Right.
From your point of view. Now, how could you see that sun again? You can climb up a ladder 10 stories high, you'll see it. Or if you walked a mile the other direction, there's just an open field there, you get a better angle and you'll be able to see the sun.
Right.
Because at a mile away, the top of that building will appear to be at your eye level to you. It'll look like it's right there. There's the top of that building. It's at my eye level. Don't believe me? Go out and test it. Okay? Go out. If you live on the water, stand at the beach, look across. You know, I can look over at Long Island, which is 5, 6, 7 miles away, depending on where I'm looking. And the tops of those trees that are on the hills that are 100 feet high, that are 100-foot tall trees, the tops of those trees look like they're at my eye level. That's just how we see. It looks like it's at my eye level. So here we have our perspective grid, okay? Here's a guy, here's you. And your eye line is here.
I look good, man. That's good.
Yeah, fit, man. You're looking fit because with your new understanding, you're not on a spinning ball and a worthless piece of garbage. You called from a pond scum. You realize that you're at the center of creation and that you're important. Maybe you'll take care of your temple. All right. So, okay. I'm not saying you don't. I'm just saying.
Oh, I eat everything.
Okay. Well, got to see. Yeah.
Oh. Joe's got to beat his dog. Hold on.
That's all right. What's this? So now I threw a mountain up and got the sun up here. Now the top of this mountain, is this above his eye level?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's say thousands of feet higher than he is. He's standing there looking at the mountain. There's the sun. Now the sun is just going to go away following that grid. And just like the sun did with the building, it's now behind the mountain. You know that it's not below the horizon because if you climb the mountain, or
plus
you
it's still light out.
Plus it's still light out. So you're going backward. Let's say you're in a big field and you go 10 miles. Now the top of the mountain will be at your eye level. So let's push that mountain into the distance. Right? Still on the side, still in the foreground.
Yeah.
Now you can see the sun. Now, this is the top of the mountain, which is thousands of feet above his eye level. And as the sun goes away, it goes beyond the mountain, just like it went beyond the building. Then we add the cloud layer in there. So you got these clouds. They're all at the same height, but the clouds also merge into a horizon for you the way you see it. So the sun is going to go beyond these clouds. And even if there wasn't clouds, the atmosphere literally merges into that horizontal eye zone and becomes opaque. So now the sun has gone beyond two horizons. A mountain horizon, which is thousands of feet above his eye level, and it went by an atmospheric horizon, which is thousands of feet above the mountain. Okay? But to you, it looks like it's at eye level and everything is going down.
Right. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Right? Movers will say, oh, you know, if you go up higher, you don't see a flat earth. Not true. Here's a guy. We move him up. Right? Now see far. You can now see farther. I saw the sunset twice. Watched it, and I went to the top of the building and saw it set again in Dubai. Right? That's because you can see farther. You can see over things that are blocking your horizon.
Right.
Next. Welcome to the flat earth, by the way. Listen. Cross your type. And you're gonna want to just cling on to that ball. But if you want to do that, you have to admit you're in a religious cult.